Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Prairie, local and long distance movers near me. Interstate migrations are commonly referred to as long distance moves because they typically cover more than 50 miles of distance. Local and long distance movers must be licensed and competent enough to provide clients with the most enjoyable moving experience possible. Long distance movements are more complex than short distance moves because they need substantial planning and time. During the planning stage of relocation, it's essential to examine the amount of traffic congestion in the new region that you'll be migrating to and select a time when traffic is at its most bearable. A local relocation takes place inside the same state and needs less than 50 miles of travel time to accomplish. Therefore, local relocations are often less expensive than long-distance relocations. Costs for local moves vary based on the distance and the number of movers required and any other moving services provided by the movers themselves. However, our rates are reasonable, ranging between $30 and $40 per hour. Our clients within and outside Prairie Village, Kansas are our top priority, and we'll do all within our power to provide the most satisfactory moving process. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Prairie moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.